Norway has amazing fjords and waterfalls. We'll start at the Stegastein View to provide an overview of some of the fjords.
And here we are at the Stegastein View. It's a pretty popular place, as you can probably hear.
I think these photographs may actually do the view a little more justice than the video. Later in the video, we'll go on a boat ride on the beautiful water. This waterfall looks small from the view, but it's actually quite large. I like the reflection in the fjord.
And here we are on the ferry. It's taken us from Flam down to Gudvangen, I think is how you say it. And then we'll travel on to Ferry is an electric boat. It's almost completely silent. The main cabin, very comfortable boat. Have a restaurant. It's pretty nice. Here we are in another fjord in much calmer conditions now.
Here's some closer views of that amazing waterfall you probably glimpsed in the video.
And you can see some homes, or what appears to be villages along the fjord. I have no idea how these people get to their abodes and their businesses, but obviously they do. Here's another waterfall. They're just everywhere here.
And here we approach Gudvangen and the end of our ride on the road.
My goodness, that is a waterfall and a half. Closer look. Closer look.
And a final look at this amazing waterfall. Here we are leaving Bergen for a cruise up the Osterfjord. As you can see, this boat moves pretty fast.
Here's the Norwegian flag flapping as we are floating away from it's the second largest suspension bridge in the world. It's maybe the largest unanchored suspension bridge. They can't anchor the bridge because the fjord is so deep. That's what
And here's a view of the inside cabin. This waterfall is just amazing, and it comes right down near the village. shot of the waterfall and the village. This is one of my favorite photos from the cruise. So there you have it, fjords and waterfalls. Norway has a bunch of them, and it has many more as well.